Hi, I'm Brian Hoff, Account Manager with Lesco Sales. Today I'm going to show you Hubbell Rayco's new Shield It push-in wire connectors. These connectors can reduce your fixture wiring time by 75%, and Rayco's push-in wire connectors are the first and only MCPCS wire connector compliant with the 2017 NEC code. For MCPCS cable installations, the Shield It push-in wire connectors keep the low voltage current separate from the high voltage current by restoring the 600 volt rating to the cable. All you need to do is insert the control wires into the connector and snap it shut, as opposed to separating the connections with a divider or adding a secondary junction box. The Shield It provides a 4 times faster install than conventional wire nuts, and the handy strip gauge ensures a perfect strip every time. These push-in wire connections are perfect for dimming control, low voltage lighting control, and smart building applications. The wires are easy to install, no twisting, no taping, or crimping necessary. Simply strip the wires, push them in, and click to close the shields. The clear housing allows you to see the finished connection. The unique Shield It design allows you to quickly, safely, and securely install MCPCS cable every time. If you'd like to learn more about these labor-saving push-in wire connectors, which are 4 times faster to install and are code compliant, please contact your Werner Electric account representative.